Hi everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add custom Shopify checkout fields. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. To incorporate custom Shopify checkout fields, I highly encourage you guys head over to the top mid of your page and from there search in here for this particular integration called accentuate custom fields, and once you simply head over to that, you can see we have that showing up in here. Simply search that and you have at the very first place, head over to that, and this will be allowing you to simply incorporate your different type of custom fields onto your store. So you can see it is going to be looking something like this. You have your effective dashboard values that you can incorporate and various other stuff, like for example you can import different products, export, and all that is going to be in here. So make sure to give a try to this and see you in the next one. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.